What is going on? Uh-oh. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am gonna be baking a cake for you guys. Actually not for you guys, but I wanted to bring you guys with me. And I'm gonna be making a Nutella cake. And I've never made this before. It's been really hard to find like a good recipe. So we're just gonna play with the, go with the flow and play around with some ingredients. I'll let you guys know how it turns out, and I hope you enjoy this video. I wanted to show you the new addition to our family. I'm so proud of this basil plant. So the other day we needed basil for a recipe, so we decided to just get like a living basil plant. And I put it in here. This was a candle. I got the wax out of it and put the plant in there. I'm gonna move it by the window so that it gets a little bit of sun. But it's so pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, so for the cake portion, I'm gonna need all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, a little bit of salt, vegetable oil. I also need unsweetened 100% cacao. I'm running out of this one, so I bought this alternative from Aldi. Never tried this before, so I'm not sure if I'm just gonna mix them or just use this. We'll see. And then I also needed buttermilk, but I don't have buttermilk, so I think I'm gonna replace it with some milk, or maybe I'll try to make my own. I read that you can make your own buttermilk with milk and a little bit of lemon juice or white vinegar. So we'll see. So these are going to be the ingredients for the cake portion. I'm going to put the amounts in the description box. So these are the cake molds that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna do like a 2-tier cake. These I got at Meijer. They were maybe like $5 each. I think they're 6x2 or so. I'm gonna put it in the somewhere in here when I reconfirm the size. But I thought this was a really pretty and good size. There's only 2 of us in the house, and I did want to do like a 2-tier cake, but not a huge one. So these were the size that I decided to go with. I'm gonna go ahead and butter them a little bit, just so that the cake doesn't stick to it. They're not supposed to stick to this, but just in case. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll continue. here they are. It looks so pretty with the Nutella swirl thing that I did. But something that I didn't think about is that for the two-tier cake, you usually cut like the top part so that they're flat to place them on top of each other. So I guess I didn't think of that when I did the Nutella because now I have to cut that off. So I'll see what I can do. Ignore how dirty the oven is, but yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna set it aside so that they can cool off for about 15 minutes or so. Another fail situation. So when I put the second, the second half, like the top part, it was sliding off. So I think I just put like way too much icing, and maybe that's why it's sliding off. So, but oh my God, this from scratch that I just made, delicious. But anyways, I'm just gonna do the sides on this, and I'm gonna put this on the fridge, and maybe once it dries or cools off, maybe then I can move it to the top. We'll see. I've never done this before, so don't murder me. This is the final product. As you can see, it doesn't look super pretty, but it was my first time making a cake from scratch. The frosting was delicious. The cake is super soft and fluffy, and I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. If you also did, give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.